Welcome to class 9 Physics. Chapter 8 Motion. Topic 1 Describing motion. The learning objectives. At the end of the class, we will be able to define motion, define rest, define motion to be a relative and not an absolute quantity. Let's start with the position of an object. Position. It means location. For example, if I ask you that at what distance your house is, so you would be saying, ma'am, my house is at a distance of 2 kilometers. But 2 kilometers from what? So, suppose your house is 2 kilometer distance from the school. So, school is said to be the reference point. Let us take one more example. For example, a school in a village is 2 kilometers north of railway station. So, the school is at 2 kilometer distance and in north direction from a specific point, a specific reference point, that is railway station. So, in order to describe the position of any object, we need to specify the reference point. Let's move to the next topic, that is motion. Motion. So position, we have already understood. Position is what? It's a location of an object. So if the position of an object changes with respect to time or surrounding, it is said to be in motion. For example, here we are having a tree and under the tree we can see a person is standing. Now this is at time 9 a.m. After 10 minutes, that is at 9:10 a.m., we can see that the position of the person has changed. The person has moved far from the tree. So, as the position of the person has changed with respect to time, after 10 minutes, its position has changed, or with respect to surrounding. Initially, the person was standing under the tree. Now, the person is far from the tree. So, the person is said to be in motion. So, if position changes with time or surrounding, the person, the object is said to be in motion. Right? Let's move to at rest. So, here the position was changing. Now, at rest, the position of an object does not change with respect to time or surrounding. Let's have an example for this. Here we are having a tree. Under the tree we can see a person. So this is at 9 a.m. After 10 minutes, that is at 9:10 a.m., the person is still under the same tree. So with respect to time, that is after 10 minutes, or with respect to surrounding, the person is still under the tree. So as its position has not changed, the person, the object would be called to be at rest. So now you would be able to define in motion as well as at rest. The last topic for this is defining motion a relative quantity. Now let us take an example. Suppose here we are having a bus. In the bus we can see two passengers are sitting. Now with respect to passenger 1, passenger 2 is at rest. But with respect to a person who is standing on the tree outside, in the moving bus, the passenger 2 will appear to be in motion. So, motion is not an absolute quantity. It depends upon the observer. So, it is a relative quantity. We have one more example over here. Suppose your car A, car B. Both are moving with the same speed, that is 30 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per hour. And we are having an observer who is standing on the road C. Now, A and B both are at rest with respect to each other because they are moving with the same speed. But for the person C, with respect to Earth, who is standing on the road, the car A and car B, means both the objects in car A and B, they will appear to be in motion. Thank you.